Coromandel International Limited is an Indian corporation founded in the early 1960s by IMC and Chevron companies of USA. Originally named Coromandel Fertilizers, the company is in the business of fertilizers, pesticides and specialty nutrients. The company is also in rural retail business in the state of Andhra Pradesh through its Mana Gromor Centres. Coromandel International is a subsidiary of both the Murugappa Group and Parry, which holds 62.82% of the equity in the company. The company has 8 manufacturing units located in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Jammu and Kashmir. Its product line includes Gromor, Godavari, Paramfos, Parry Gold and Parry Super. The company produces and sells phosphatic fertilizers of various grades, including Diammonium phosphate and Single Super Phosphate.Coromandel was ranked number 16 on Business Today's 2009 list of the best companies to work for in India. The company confers Borlaug Award for Outstanding Indian Scientist in the field of agriculture and environment. Business line: Coromandel is largely engaged in manufacturing a wide range of phosphatic fertilizers, crop protection products, specialty nutrients like sulfur pastels, water-soluble fertilizers, micronutrients and organic fertilizers. Coromandel's business can be broadly divided into 4 parts: fertilizers. Coromandel markets and manufactures wide range of fertilizers, which makes it leader in addressable market and second largest producer of phosphatic fertilizers in India. Pesticides: Coromandel produces insecticides, pesticides, weedicides, and fungicides and market these products in India and abroad. Coromandel is the second largest manufacturer of malathion and is the major manufacturer of phenthode in Asia. The company have global presence in 62 countries and ranks 5th in Indian market. Specialty nutrients: company have recently added one more variety of farm inputs. Specialty nutrients are basically developed to cater the need of particular crops at different stage of growth. These set of chemicals have different combination of secondary and micronutrients which provides the basic requirement of crops and helps them to grow. Retail: company is also present in retail sector. Till 2015, company have more than 750 retail centers in villages of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka. One retail store covers 30 to 40 nearby villages and caters the needs of 5,000 farmers' families. References: